Welcome to your Kenworth Driver Training, where we'll take a quick look at the key features and benefits of your brand new K220 Kenworth. Let's take a look at the controls available on the right-hand stalk. The K220 is powered by a Cummins X15 engine and can be coupled to either a manual 18-speed gearbox or the new Endurant XD Pro automated transmission. Designed from the ground up to set a new automated transmission benchmark, the Endurant XD Pro is lighter, smoother and engineered to reduce fuel and maintenance cost. With the Endurant XD Pro automated transmission, the right-hand stalk offers a host of features and is designed to keep our eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. The gear selector rotates and is on the end of the stalk. Neutral is in the middle. The truck will need to be in neutral to start, and this is also the park position. Rolling the selector forward engages drive gears and back selects reverse. There is a detent for drive, neutral and reverse. You will need to have your foot on the brake and the vehicle stationary to change the direction of travel. As a backup, the truck will automatically go into auto neutral if you don't remember to take it out of gear when you apply the park brake. The selected gears and driving mode is displayed on the digital display. There is a button on the end of the stalk to change between automated and manual driving modes. Gears can be adjusted by lifting the stalk up for upshifts, similar to activating high beam activation, and pushing down for downshifts. Pushing and holding the lever down will engage low gear range. Gear shifts can still be encouraged when in automated mode. The difference with manual mode is the driver needs to change all the gears. The best performance will be gained from the Endurant XD if operated in automated mode. Load-based shift assessments will calculate the weight and conditions to set shift strategies in the transmission to make best use and skip shift gears if the conditions are right. And this allows the transmission to operate at its optimum level. The engine brake is activated by pulling the stalk back, like an indicator, towards the driver to the desired level. If the truck has an automated transmission, there are 4 positions: off, low, high, and max mode. Max mode is the highest level of engine braking and will downshift the transmission at higher revs to best utilise the stronger compression. This is a momentary switch and will spring back to the high engine brake position when released. You do not need to hold it down. To cancel max mode, the engine brake selector can be turned off or decreased in level, upshift a gear, or re-initiate max mode. Powering onto the throttle will also disengage max mode. Each level is displayed on the digital display. If your K220 is fitted with a manual gearbox, the right-hand stalk is different, but will still activate the engine brake. There are 3 positions: off, low, and high. For more information, check out kenworth.com.au or visit your local dealership.